Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join the JoyaGoo affiliate program. To begin, visit the official JoyaGoo website at joyagoo.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and look for the affiliate program link. Click on it to access the affiliate fact page. Read through the page so you will have a good understanding of the rules and conditions about the program. Once you've read everything, log into your JoyaGoo account or create one if you don't have any, and click on your profile at the top right corner. Then click on My Account. Then on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see Affiliate and select it to open the Affiliate dashboard. Look on the right-hand side of the screen and you'll find the Affiliate Program Invite Now button. Click on it, copy your affiliate link, and share it in however appropriate method you choose. The dashboard also provides access to promotional materials, tracking tools, and commission reports to help you monitor your performance. Once people click on your affiliate link and begin buying from JoyaGoo through it, you'll start to earn rewards and commissions. And that's how you join the JoyaGoo affiliate program. Thanks for watching.